आज हम पढ़ेंगे एक नया टॉपिक जिसको हम कहेंगे बॉन्ड। तो बॉन्ड के बारे में बच्चों पढ़ेंगे कि बॉन्ड क्या है और क्यों बनता है। तो बेसिकली बॉन्ड जो है वो एटम्स के दरमियान एक क़ुव्वत है जिससे एटम आपस में जुड़े रहते हैं, या हम उसको इंग्लिश में से बयान करेंगे द फोर्स दैट हेल्ड्स टुगेदर between the atoms or ions, that is known as chemical bond or bond. Basically there are two different types of chemical bonds. The first one is ionic bond and other one is covalent bond. The first one, that is ionic bond, that was given by W. Cauchy in 1916. So the purpose of the bond formation is to attain the stability or to complete the octet. By completing the octet, it means atom acquire inert electronic gas configuration. So by doing so, they can transfer the electron from one atom to another atom. For example, when you see the metals usually lose the electron readily and non-metals accept the electron readily. So by doing so, they transfer the electron from one atom to another atom, that makes a bond that is known as ionic bond. We can also define ionic bond as the electrostatic force of attraction between the positive ion and the negative ion is known as ionic bond, just like sodium chloride. So sodium chloride is basically an ionic compound that is formed when sodium loses electron from its valence shell and chlorine atom acquire an electron from the sodium atom. So sodium acquire a positive charge while chlorine acquire a negative charge, so that will make anion, while sodium is said to be a cation. So the forces between the positive ion and the negative ion results in the formation of ionic bond. So in this way ionic bond is formed. So usually the elements of group 1a, 2a and non-metals of group 7a and 6a form ionic bond, and general properties of ionic are very hard in nature. They are usually solids, they possess high melting point, boiling point, and when they dissolve in water they are soluble in water, so they can conduct electricity in melted state or ionized form or in solution form, and also they can carry electricity in solution form and fused state. And other thing, ionic form usually forms crystals, and the forces between these two ions, positive ion and negative ion, usually leads to a regular pattern, and that will make a crystal. So their boiling point and melting point are very high, and usually they are brittle. That means they will broken down into smaller pieces due to the repulsion between the similar charges. So these are the all properties of ionic compounds, and that's it.